Introducing Emtelle's patented SCV connector, featuring a streamlined assembly process that simplifies blowable connectivity. The SCV connector consists of 4 primary components: the rear boot, main body, front body, and front housing. Start by feeding the terminated micro cable through the rear boot. Then attach the main body of the connector, slide the rear boot onto the main body, before returning the cable back into place. Once in place, carefully remove the dust cap before installing the front body and housing. When the front housing is in place, gently move it back and forth to ensure the connector is fully assembled. This is also the core technology behind our range of pre-connectorized solutions. For more information, please visit emtelle.com.